Are you struggling to win trades consistently? In this video, I'll show you a high probability Forex trading strategy using the Stochastic Oscillator and RSI to dominate the market. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never get to miss powerful tips like this. Now let's get started. The Relative Strength Index, which is the RSI, is a popular momentum oscillator used in technical analysis to measure the speed and change of price movements. It helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. The RSI ranges from 0 to 100 and is typically calculated using a 14-day period time frame. Using the RSI, we can identify overbought and oversold conditions. RSI values above 70 typically indicate an overbought condition, suggesting a potential price pullback. RSI values below 30 typically indicate an oversold condition, suggesting a potential price rebound. We can also improve our entry and exit points using the RSI. Traders basically use the RSI to time their trades, entering the trades during oversold conditions and exiting during overbought ones. The Stochastic Oscillator is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis to determine the position of a stock's closing price relative to its price range over a specified period. It helps traders identify overbought or oversold conditions and potential trend reversals. It has a range of values between 0 and 100. Prices above 80 indicates a potential sell signal as it's in its overbought region. Prices below 20 indicates a potential buy signal as it's in its oversold region. Now let's add our indicators. On your MetaTrader 5 screen, you move over to the Insert tab, click on the indicators and move over to the oscillators, and then you see your Relative Strength Index. Click on it and you can change the parameters to 14 period, apply to close, and maybe use a white color. As for the levels, ensure you have levels 30, levels 50 and levels 70. There you have the RSI on your screen. Now to add the Stochastic Oscillator, you move over to the Insert tab, click on Indicators, click on Oscillators, and there you have your Stochastic Oscillators. Now for the Stochastic Oscillator, we're going to be working with a percentage K period of 14, percentage D period of 3, and we're changing the main color to aqua and the signal color to red. And then we ensure that the levels are on levels 20, levels 50 and levels 80. There you have your Stochastic Oscillator on the screen. Now, how does this strategy work? We move over to a USD JPY chart to look out for a buy signal. We move over to the 4-hour time frame, and we ensure that we have our RSI below the 30 level. That's the rule number 1. Rule number 2, we ensure that the Stochastic Oscillator is below the 20 level. Rule number 3, we move over to the H1 time frame and ensure that the Stochastic Oscillator moves from the 0 level to 20. Rule number 4, we move over to the 15-minute time frame and ensure that the Stochastic Oscillator moves from the level 0 to the 50 level. And that confirms our buy signal. We enter into the trade immediately. We have a stop loss just below the low and target a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or we exit the trade manually when the H1 RSI drops to level 80 from above as shown in the picture. Using this strategy, you can make so much money for yourself. As you can see that risking 30 pips gave us a reward of 114 pips. Next, we move over to a GBP USD chart. We move over to the 4-hour time frame, and the first rule is we ensure that the RSI is below the 30 level. Rule number 2, we ensure that the stochastic oscillator is below the 20 level. Rule number 3, we move over to the H1 time frame and we wait for the stochastic oscillator to move from level 0 to level 20. Rule number 4, we move over to the 15 minutes time frame and wait for the stochastic oscillator to move from the 0 level to the 50 level, and there you have your entry signal for a buy trade. And again, you keep your stop loss below the low and target a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or you can exit manually when RSI drops to level 80 from above on the H1 time frame. And on this particular trade, a 23 pips risk gave a reward of 83 pips. And now for a sell trade example, we move over to the CAD CHF chart. We move over to the 4-hour time frame, and then the first rule is that we ensure that the RSI is above level 70. Rule number 2, we ensure that the stochastic level is above 80. Rule number 3, we move over to the H1 time frame and we ensure that the stochastic oscillator moves from the 100 level touching the 80 level. Rule number 4, we move over to the 15 minutes time frame and we wait for the stochastic oscillator to move from the level 100 to 50 level, and there you have your sell signal. Simply enter into the trade. You can have your stop loss above the high and target a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or you can exit manually when RSI rises to levels 30 from below on the H1 time frame. Using this strategy, if 16 pips risk gave a reward of 55 pips on the CAD CHF. Let's take another example of a sell signal, and this time we move over to the gold chart. We move over to the 4-hour time frame, and remember the rule number 1, you ensure that the RSI stays above 70 level. Rule number 2, you ensure that the stochastic oscillator on the H4 time frame stays above level 80. Rule number 3, we move over to the H1 time frame and ensure that the stochastic oscillator drops to levels 80 from above. Rule number 4, we move over to the 15 minutes time frame and ensure that the stochastic oscillator drops to levels 50 from above, and there you have your sell signal. You storm into the trade. Have your stop loss above the high and target a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, or you can exit manually when the RSI rises to 30 from below. Using the strategy on the gold trade, we got a reward of 535 pips just by risking 52 pips. Ensure you practice this strategy thoroughly on your demo account to give you mastery before using it on a live account. Here we go, guys. That's the RSI plus stochastic oscillator trading strategy in action. It is simple, effective, and easy to implement. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward trading strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never get to miss out on an update, and let us know in the comment section below what your favorite Forex indicator is. Until next time, trade smart, stay profitable.